Hey guys, how are you? This is Saheb. Thanks to Keener once again, Gurjeet and Jasmeet. You guys are just amazing. I don't know how you find these techniques of getting people eligible for Canada. You did the same for me. I was not getting eligible for Canada because the FSW laws were lately not out for Canada. So Gurjeet and Jasmeet, they told me that you can go for PNP, but my numbers were not that much. So they had a technique through which I reduced my number and I got eligible for PNP. So I got the PNP and recently I've also got the ITA. So I really want to thank you guys. I would really recommend everyone to go for these guys. They got some different techniques. They're gonna make you eligible for Canada. I'm really telling you. Thank you guys once more.